3, 2, 1. Small talk.
Welcome to the channel. We arrived in Bali yesterday, and this is our first morning here. We've come to Steph's Resort. We walked to get here. We just all came for breakfast. We got a private chef here. Everyone's eating. These guys going for seconds. There he is. Here's the man, all the way from Perth. Here's the everyone. Here's the chef. Hey chef. Busy man. Got a lot of hungry islanders here. You see the stress on the face. Jokes. Nice, doing a good job. Yeah, look.
I'll have 4 eggs. How many eggs do you need?
Yeah, just going around. So, yeah, we're here for my sister's birthday. Coming out here. Got brother Mitsu. Hey Mitsu. How's the trip?
Or whatever it is.
Yeah, brother Dan. Thanks Dan. Yo.
How's the hooks? So this is for two and extra one.
Boy, Dave. This is us.
He's coming. Happy Sabbath.
So Queen Jane. Hey. Thank you, Jane. Why are we here? Why are we here?
We're here to celebrate our sister's 50th, Stephanie. That is why we're here. Is that right?
Any thoughts on Bali so far?
Oh man, it's just amazing. It's like, everyone was traumatized from the flight, but the accommodation here has just compensated for that. Yeah.
Oh well, thank you, Jane.
Oh, okay.
We'll see you later in the video. See, that's Sister Jane. SDA Church. Everyone's happy. Another Paul. Don't know who's staying here. Wow. Oh, Tor. This is Tor, fresh haircut with his new top on.
We didn't pay for that.
Oh, all good. All good. You want to say any words?
Happy birthday, Mama. To my mom. Shout out to her for 50th birthday.
Nice. All right, we better get back. And we've got the boys here.
Go, James.
Here we were just going there.
685 to the world. Get the right way around.
Okay. Go away. Oh, nah. Let's take a photo. Aloha to Macau. We just on our way to Ubud, and we stopped off at McDonald's for breakfast. Got all the family and the church friends here. So going to the bus. Oh, bus, sorry man, my hands are full. Got Mitz and Christian. All good? All good. Okay, we'll see you on the bus.
Whakawhai atu ki Amatolosi, how do you say, oh yeah, Moluna Yahafano, my mom. Thank you so much for celebrating here, choosing a destination birthday. Yeah, it's super fun, great to reunite with all the family, church family all together. And yeah, I'm excited for your 50th birthday coming up, and I really hope you enjoy it. And yeah, love you so much, Mom.
Fuck all it. Alright, Liam.
Oh, yo. Oh, happy birthday, Auntie. All the best. Good trip. Solid. Something Liam, what up? Happy 50th, Stephanie. Thank you for bringing us all here to Bali. Nice place. Good to be here. Hopefully, have a good celebration on your birthday on Friday. And yeah, happy birthday. Thank you.
Oh, ilahi. Gideon, birthday wishes for Steve.
Happy birthday, Auntie. I love you, and hope you have a good rest of your week. And yeah, thank you.
Happy birthday wishes, Yanni. Yanni's looking for Stevenson. Jackson, happy birthday. Happy birthday for Auntie.
Happy birthday,
Just at a jewelry store here. Pretty busy. Dave, we got Dave here singing some songs. We got Elijah, everybody. It's pretty warm in here. Hey Dave, you came on the bus. So it looks like outside. Everyone's pretty happy. Yeah, we just, some people's come out of the retail store for the jewelry and the uka. The uka, ei whai tangata mai ke ei whai tae ke te tungi. But pesini, itaki ke ono. Ei Sandy, you were saying?
Yeah. $600 for a little bracelet, it's not worth it.
That's New Zealand dollar.
Too expensive. That was
Beautiful. It's good to support the locals, but you gotta support yourself too. And my brother Dave here loves the camera. Dave, any jewelry?
Nope.
No jewelry?
I'm good. Just so everyone, we're here today to
Yeah, look at jewelry, eh?
do the stuff. That's
Yeah.
good.
We came off on a big bus.
Yep.
It's having a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Checking out this place. Yeah.
They're pretty good ratings. Just
Yeah.
to make these things.
Yeah.
Kind of stuff you want to buy or what.
So if you're planning to come to Bali, come check out this place. If you got the tupe, hoki whakatau.
Yeah.
Whakatau e tau mena, okay? Whakaolahi. Shing!
Yeah.
Good. Alright, whakawhatu, we're in the art gallery. This is massive.
There's some nice paintings in there, bro.
Yeah. See anything nice, Hector?
Olive. Oh, is this going on the YouTube?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey guys, welcome to my art factory. Yeah, welcome.
Alright, very interesting art gallery. It's quite nice. I think Hayden's coming to buy some art for his new warehouse. Don't know where the kids are. Check this out. It's massive. Yeah. Just want to know fiha e tau mena. Okay, whakaarewhatu Macau. We're on a tour guide. We're going to go look at these coffee beans. Vera lahi aho. Loa e laina. E langona e tutale tour guide ha mautolu. Pese ni e tuptupe.
After this is coffee, and what is the ripe? This is coffee bean. This is the carrying the red. Red one carrying coffee bean.
It's not a monkey. This is what it is. It's maybe
Yes. That's it there, the coffee and fruit they're eating.
some blue
Papaya,
walk.
banana, watermelon.
Nocturnal.
All the sweetened fruit they eating. Not sweetened, not can eaten by animal. Because that's why the animal very, very rare animal in Bali. Yeah, but in Indonesia, the Korean, yeah, this is the animal already.
Jackson, what are you doing? Man, kai fusi si liwatuki mai.
Lemon tea. Lemongrass. Oh, lemon tea, lemongrass, apple tea.
Whakalawhatu Makau. We're here in another spot to have a feed. Apparently it's really, really nice. Looking for the pool. Man, long day, awesome. Saw some coffee beans, art show, jewelry making. It's pretty full on. It's good. Spend time with the family. Whakawalahi Steph. Feel like a tourist in Bali. Now we're going to the poolside. Here we go. Oh wow, very nice. So we're going to look. And we're going down. Here we go. Mitu, Jane, and Caroline. Whakalawhatu Makau. We're in the monkey forest now. Apparently you have to, monkey up there. Apparently you have to be careful, might steal your camera, your phone. Oh, monkey's just right here.
No, I see some black
Up there fighting each other. Oh, monkey straight away. Monkeys everywhere. Sharks.
Look, there's one.
So yeah, we've been told watch out for flashy things. Monkeys take phones, valuables. Might come take these glasses. So just have to be careful.
I'm trying not to look at it.
Alright, we're here with the bro. All the way from Bali. Monkey forest. Man, very cute monkeys. Yeah, what can you say? They're like semi-wild here, so not necessarily safe, fully safe, but very cute to look at. I think their diet is kumara and bananas. So yeah, it's been bloody good. Happy birthday to Steph. We've all come to Bali for Stephanie's birthday. A few family and friends. Yeah, man, nice. It's been a good trip, eh? Yeah, it's been good, man. It's nice and hot. Man, there was at the traditional Balinese material making, some of the motifs look like straight Polynesian, so maybe it's the old ancestors, an old traditional design. But it was like the Frangipani motif. that was interesting to see that they do it exactly the same in Bali. But yeah, they got nice, a very good tradition here, and lots of artwork, very religious. Yeah, lots to see, lots of shopping. Getting a massage tonight, bro?
I hope so.
Might get the $7 half an hour foot massage, or otherwise the $10 1 hour Balinese massage. Man, $10. Only thing is the coconut, the oils. The kid was questioning, okay, what's this oil going on my body?
Was it synthetic
best
or?
Best to wash after the show. Best to have a swim after the massage. But man, $10 for 1 hour. Poor ladies.
Where's Fibrana? Still coming?
Oh, no, we followed people up, so we followed people up. Oh, hey. That monkey was trying to pull that lady's dress. Yeah. Oi. Oh, that's how you call them off. Yeah. It's like in the islands, eh? Monkey. Hello. This must be the Balinese.
I'm pretty sure
They don't ever come back there.
Yeah.
It's tough until it gets a kick. All the growling drums.
I thought there was only one way out.
I think it is the exit.
Oh, there is.
Man, there was a monkey. Monkey was on the rail when I walked past. And then I felt it like pull my t-shirt. I said, "Oh, this monkey wants to interact." So I moved closer. Then his fingers went in my pocket. Say, bro. Hey man, I got money in there. Piss off.
I think he was looking for the banana, bro.
Hey, it's a big banana.
Here we are in the party bus. The party bus here. We're in the bus, and Hayden's singing. Hayden's doing karaoke. And this is how we're traveling. So instead of walking in the hot sun, we're in aircon and a bus. And we can see this. This is input. So yeah, this guy's vlogging. He's got his thing. Well, I don't know what that is. Looks like a dragon. And there's the organizer here. He's the organizer. Everyone's happy. We just finished the forest village, monkey forest. Heading our way back. Oh yeah, Wakalahi Steve. Looking forward to the next gathering. To Macau. We're here at the water sports, just trying to figure out what we're doing. Got the bro here, Christian. What you doing today?
Banana boat, because it reminds me of the banana boat sunscreen. So, so yeah, maybe this is where they got it from me.
Maybe.
But I see some really dark people here, and I can see this lighting is making me look dark too. Yeah, it'd be nice to go in the ocean. But they said we're not allowed to swim. So I think it's because there's a lot of jet skis going by. People like it. That'd be awesome. I do want to eat some like fresh oysters or something. Yeah, I think maybe the first thing I need to buy when we go back into town is like a knife and a mask and a snorkel and then go but yeah, no, it's awesome, man. It's awesome. Yeah, haven't been to Bali, you should come. It's good. Next time we should go Vietnam or something. Yeah, but nah. Dodai Mataki. One more. And yeah.
Yo. Bella, eh? Bella lahi. Yeah. Yeah, we're going, waiting for these guys to come back jet skiing. Look at this tropical Bali. Alright, it's very hot. I can't take my camera on. No, wrong family. Very hot, but lots of fun.
Now, Kakalaheatu, Makau, Makau Lahi, they make Matula ki Hoki Muntunei, Bali. So we're just having water sports today. It's just pretty awesome. It's amazing because so many people here. So I just got a hat here because I'm lazy to go walk for 10 meters to go get my other hat I bought from home. Support the local economy is always good. Yeah, but thank you everyone. It's great. Bali's the place to be.
Whakalofa to Macau. We're at the Whaletapu now. Big temple. Bali.
Secret classroom.
Shucks. I don't know if you can see that, but this thing is huge. Made out of copper. Bali temple. You almost wonder if it's like Hindu. Oh. Yeah, we're all here. We made it to the temple. Dave, what do you think?
Excellent. Here at the temple.
Fakoi. We're just all here with the family. I don't see.
That's the word for massive in Lahi Mahaki.
Lahi Mahaki.
Crazy.
Bro, what do you think, bro?
It's 120 meters high. It's made all out of copper.
So fiha. What do you think that's worth?
Copper was brought all the way from Indonesia. Java in Indonesia.
Oh.
120 meters high.
Shucks.
Scrap metal, $5 a kilo.
It's in the screen box.
There you go. VIP.
This is cool, this one.
You alright? You alright? Oh, basically you alright. Don't know what's going on here, but got these rocks. There's a statue right there. Alright fam, we're on the last thing for today. It's a sunset dinner with the bro. It's got the... Watch your step. Check this scene out.
Later we have a Balinese performance also.
Fix it. I don't think they're finished.
Excuse me?
Chris. Sunset Beach. No, Broken Beach. It's carrying on. Got a boat here and then a car ride.
Just Indy, don't feed it.
Yeah, the heat that driver did.
No, that's okay.
We just came from the viewpoint and now we're coming for lunch and then we're going to snorkeling.
What's up, fam? We just got back from snorkeling. It was wet and wild. We're back, we're all getting changed. Now we're on our way back. Our way back to Bali. What was it? Come to Bali. Crazy.
We just went on the roller coaster and I lost my voice because I was screaming the whole time. So it's like you go upwards and then after that you go backwards and like I kind of lost my flow and I lost my voice.
We're here waiting for the long flume. It's the only ride we had to wait. All of the other rides there was no lines, but this one seems popular, so we'll see what happens. Okay, Jackson, you ready? Whakalofa te Makau, we just finished. Gonna finish our day with a massage on the feet before we go back. Awesome massage. Long day. Mulu tau hui. Haia ke manuina, toleo ke whereweia. Alright team, yeah. Okay, look at this.
Look at
Someone just won the lotto. Everyone's happy.
What do you want? Come on, man. Which one do you want?
Indian curry.
Alright, with Dave. Yep, this morning the family come over early to cook some breakfast for Danielle's birthday. Look at that. She professional. Ex-chef, eh? Worked for Matavai in a past like this.
For the special deal, that's why
Look at
it's
that.
done so nicely.
Yeah. Wow.
Thank you.
Popo. Look at that.
No, you did that one, bro.
Gee. Frying the eggs. Got Hayden, head chef.
Morning, morning. Happy birthday, Stephanie, Danielle.
Got Kingston. How's your sleep?
Not bad.
Yeah, we all had a late night last night. Got tired, but we all stayed up. We're ready for breakfast. Whakalofa te Makau, we're here for the reason why we came. My sister's 50th birthday. We're here at the moonlight. Going up. Right on the beach. Wow. We're here. Hey Sandy. Look at this. It's good to record. Who's here? Who's here? Oh, the family. Dave. Hayden. Swastiastu.
Happy birthday, Stephanie. And happy birthday, Danielle. We had a good holiday. Thank you, Steph, for picking Bali and telling us what's to come. Thank you for organising all the outings and tonight's dinner. Loved it. Whakaoelahi.
Alright. Dave, want to say something?
Yes. Alright. Happy birthday video. God bless you. And Steph, I love you. I love my auntie. Hawaii. Home. And yeah. Bug house anyway.
There's our team. Alien. Kavir, sup guys. Any wishes for Auntie Steph?
Happy birthday, Auntie. Love you. Too many more years. Love you, Auntie. Happy
Love you,
birthday.
Auntie.
Yo.
All the best. You guys have another 50.
Tracy.
Love you, Steph.
Jay.
Happy birthday, sis. I can't believe it. You're 50 today. You don't even look it. Hope you enjoy your day. It's been an awesome birthday week. Thank you for letting us be a part of it.
Yeah.
Love you, sis.
Bye.
Hi, John.
Hey. Celebrate. Hey.
Happy birthday, Steph. Hope you enjoyed your week, even with all the ups and downs. But enjoy the rest of your birthday night, hopefully. Peace.
That's good.
Happy birthday, sis. Can't wait to share many more years with you and many more adventures in our girls trip next year. Yeah, and thank you for including me in your birthday week. Love you.
Oh, fuck all it. Thanks, guys. Ciao, everyone.
Okay. No, just move. Yeah, just the boys. Move this way, Dave. Jordan.
Hi. I'm good, thanks.
Especially the Eric family. I'm so proud that all her siblings are here, as well as all her nephews and nieces. I've mattered to her a lot. Means a lot to her. And then of course her close friends that have made it great. Thank you, Lord, once again for your goodness. Thank you for bringing us together this evening. Thank you for the 50 long years that you have brought Steph through. And I pray, Lord, as she continues this evening, may she enjoy herself, but also may she take time, Lord, to pause and reflect on your goodness upon her life, Lord. We pray for your protection, and we pray for your covering, Lord. And Lord, until you take us back to our homes, take us home safely, Lord. Thank you for a good week, Lord, and forgive us of our shortfalls. We pray and ask all this in your name.
by now, we would never come here for what we do. Sadly, that you think stuff going on, needs to remain calm. But yeah, Mama, happy birthday. Love you too. Love you, Steve. Love you, Danielle. And happy birthday. Just wish, they put me on the spot like this. Lost for words. But you think I'll have to get up. What the Blue Mountains? The moon! Would do anything. Who's just on the spot? Somebody each of them? Thank you for bringing us here to Bali. And good trip here. Everyone here had done their family. Yeah, just safe job. Thank you very much. Terima kasih.
Was there anything the table wants to say? Speech. Okay, thank you everyone for coming today. If anyone would like my autograph, just come get it after. Okay? It's been amazing. And I can't believe that you pulled all this shit off.
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
Almina and Tracy, next couple of channels, something like you had to be on, but I just read what they were doing. I'm like, oh, yeah. But man, you have done an amazing job. I love you as a sister. You have helped me raise Stevenson. I'm Stevenson's mom. This is Stevenson's dad. She's the provider. She's not the
She's right.
Yeah, you have always supported us. I always looked up to you, and I thank you, and I love you for everything you have done for me and for Stevenson. Thank you, sis.
Another line.
Thank you everyone for coming. The words have already been said because we are the same. I was going to do this Bible verse about being divine and the true and being part of God's big family, which is true. I'm just grateful that I'm alive. I'm grateful that I can move, and I'm grateful that each and every one of you are here, not because I picked you or I think, but I think these are the people that God's put in my life, and I thought I was going to be okay today because I'm ready to, once tonight's over, I'm ready to go home. And it's all done and dusted, but I think when I saw the Takalo, I didn't know my son could do something. So, you guys must be looking after him really well over at the other villa, so thank you for that. I haven't prepared a speech because I didn't want to make some lies up for Almina to say more lies, but my family mentally said it. It's true, I don't want any other friends, and my dad raised me to say, you don't need any other friends, just your siblings. That's why I had heaps of kids, so these are my best friends. Best friends, my siblings, and these are my best friends. The difference is that my dad gave me my friends, like he said, and I picked you guys as my other friends. So you are the family that I picked, and every single person here, I'm grateful, man. Please invite me to your 50th, except Sandy, because you're already done. Please invite me to your birthdays because I truly, deeply love all of yours. So I don't have any other big words to say except I'm so blessed. I thank God. Look after yourself so we can see each other more often. Connected with each other, especially you guys here want to come hang out with me, understand? But hang out with each other because life, people out there, it's hard. I'm only successful because I have a great family, and you all talked about me having money. Haven't you seen my house? I think there's more other richer people around my table. So it's Bali. I wanted tonight to be a bit quiet so you can talk to each other, and then we'll be finished by 7:30 so you can go out, do your thing. After this, I want to go home, say, Dad, kid, oh, yeah, I do. I deeply love all of this. I truly do. Even with all our backstabbing and gossiping and all that stuff, don't worry. I backstab some of you because I am passionate about you. I care about you. I want to talk about you because if you were a stranger and doing something shit, so what? Go do your thing, but because it's you guys, and then what happened? What should do? And who else is? So that's the only reason why I talk about you all behind your backs. But it's my 50th. Don't be sad because I hope to have a 60th. And I will have my 60th no, I won't make that announcement. But I just want to say I love you guys and thank you so much for coming all the way to Bali. All the way here. Well, you did it. You've done this trip for me. So thank you for doing this trip for me, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All of this. Molahi whakauelahi, monuile po, and God bless you. Thank you.
Just to wrap up the formalities, thank you everybody, the Eric family, the day oneers, your village, for allowing us to come and join with you and celebrate Stephanie.
That's the end of our trip. End of our trip now. Last dinner before we all head back. Cheers. Thank you, Steph, for the great party. Till the next time.
Leave a look at
Gideon, Dabia, we told them to wait.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Dabia, hurry up.
Hang on there, jump in.
Why does this look so smooth?
Ready? Small talk.